Welcome to Berlin. This is a travel guide video for fans who will visit Berlin for Euroleague Finals in May. German basketball has been on a crazy journey, rising from 18th place in the 2019 World Cup to world champions in 2023. In Germany, still football dominates, but basketball's popularity is on the upward trajectory. Well, Euroleague basketball regular season finished in April. After play-in showdown, best 8 teams of the season started their best-of-5 playoff series. Series winners advanced to the Final Four. The 2024 Final Four is set to take place in Berlin, Germany's magnificent Uber Arena, from May 24th to May 26th. The semi-finals will be played at 18 o'clock and 21 o'clock local time on Friday, while on Sunday, the third-place game at 17 o'clock local time will give way to the championship game tip-off 3 hours later. All tickets for these 4 games sold out in December, within less than 24 hours following the sellout. By country, the general public tickets were bought most by fans from Greece, Spain, Germany, Turkey, and France. Uber Arena is easily accessible from anywhere in the city by bus, train, subway, and light rail. The Final Four venue has an ideal location too, barely a few hundred meters away from the East Side Gallery and the Wall Museum. The East Side Mall should give Final Four attendees plenty of dining options. Some of the best music venues in Berlin, such as Lido and Private Club, are just across a bridge over the Spree River. If you want to walk from the Brandenburg Gate to Uber Arena, it takes just over an hour. Going from the iconic Alexanderplatz to the arena on foot is less than 40 minutes. If you're in Berlin for 3 days to attend Final Four, here's a brief travel plan for your visit. Berlin is a fantastic city with so much to offer. Let's look alternatives for where to stay. Mitte. This central district is perfect for first-time visitors. It's close to many attractions and has a vibrant atmosphere. Kreuzberg. Known for its alternative vibe, this area offers plenty of unique accommodation options and great nightlife. Prenzlauer Berg. A trendy neighborhood with charming streets, cozy cafes, and a relaxed atmosphere. Well, okay, here are some suggestions for where to see. Brandenburg Gate, iconic symbol of Berlin, a must-see. Reichstag building, offers a fantastic view of the city. Berlin Wall Memorial, important historical site with remnants of the wall and exhibits. Museum Island, home to several world-class museums, including the Pergamon Museum. Checkpoint Charlie, historic border crossing point, now a museum. And of course, tips for where to visit. East Side Gallery, longest remaining section of the Berlin Wall, featuring colourful murals. Tiergarten, large park perfect for a relaxing stroll or picnic. Alexanderplatz, vibrant square with shopping, dining, and the iconic TV tower. Holocaust Memorial, sombre but essential monument to the Holocaust victims. Charlottenburg Palace, magnificent royal palace with beautiful gardens. Other tips for Berlin. Public transportation. Berlin has an excellent public transportation system, including buses, trams, and the U-Bahn, subway. Food. Don't miss out on trying traditional German dishes like currywurst and schnitzel. Also, explore the diverse culinary scene, from street food markets to Michelin-starred restaurants. Nightlife. Berlin is famous for its nightlife. Explore the bars and clubs in areas like Kreuzberg and Friedrichshain. Friedrichshain is known for its alternative culture, vibrant nightlife, and eclectic atmosphere. Here are some suggestions for things to do in Friedrichshain. Ruhrgelände, the former railway repair yard, is now a sprawling complex of bars, clubs, art galleries, and urban spaces. It's a hub for alternative culture and nightlife in Berlin. Don't miss places like Cassiopeia, Suicide Circus, and Urban Spree. Oberbaumbrücke. This iconic bridge connects Friedrichshain with Kreuzberg across the River Spree. It's not only a beautiful landmark, but also offers fantastic views of the city skyline. Boxhagener Platz. Square is at the heart of Friedrichshain's social scene. On weekends, it hosts a bustling flea market where you can find everything from vintage clothing to antiques and handmade crafts. If you're into electronic music and clubbing, Berghain is an institution, known for its strict door policy and legendary parties that often last well into the next day. If you're looking for a cozy pub, a trendy cocktail bar, or international cuisine, you'll find it on Simon-Dach-Straße. With this plan, you'll get a taste of Berlin's rich history, vibrant culture, and exciting atmosphere. Enjoy your trip.